In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine files in Adobe Acrobat. Merging files is a highly useful feature, especially when you need to consolidate multiple documents into a single, easy to manage PDF. Whether you are organizing reports for work, assembling multiple project documents, or just simplifying your digital files, Adobe Acrobat makes it seamless and efficient. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can master this task with confidence. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once it is launched, navigate over to the upper area of the interface where you'll find the All Tools tab. Clicking on this tab reveals a range of options available to help make your document management more streamlined. Here, you'll want to find and select the Combine Files option. This feature is specifically designed to help you merge various types of files into one cohesive PDF. Next, after clicking on Combine Files, you'll see an option labeled Add Files. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a dialog box from which you can browse your computer's directories. Select all the files that you wish to combine. A handy tip, you can hold down the Control key on your keyboard to select multiple files at once, which can save time and ensure you have every file you need. Once you have your desired files selected, click Open to add them to the Adobe Acrobat interface. Now, with all of your files ready and waiting, head over to the upper right corner of the window where you'll notice the Combine button. This is the ultimate button that brings everything together. Clicking Combine will trigger Adobe Acrobat to work its magic, melding your selected files into a unified document. Be patient, depending on the file sizes, this step might take a little time. Once your files are combined into a single PDF document, the final step is to save your newly created file. To do this, simply hit the Save button. You'll be prompted to choose a name and a destination for your file. Make sure to select a location that is both easy to remember and convenient for you to access later, and just like that, you're done. Congratulations, you've successfully combined multiple files into a single PDF using Adobe Acrobat. This powerful feature should make organizing and sharing your documents so much easier and more efficient. Remember to explore other tools and capabilities within Acrobat to further refine your PDF management skills. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.